Hello little minions, it's me, Bo Shevasu. Today I am coming to you with the Renpho Eye Massager. Now I can't actually see you guys right now, and that's because I have the little reservoir in there that takes up my line of sight, and that reservoir I'm going to show you has a little bit of liquid in it that you can put in. It can just be clear water or some sort of water with a little bit of essential oil in there. And the purpose of this is to spray soft mist onto your eyes, as well as engage this little massaging pad here and here on your temples. Now, forewarning, this is not necessarily for everybody. As you can see, I have a rather skinny face. And so for my particular use, when I put this on, it's not quite pressing as much as I would like and engaging on my temples. And so if you are desperate, you have a migraine and you're really looking for something to really push hard up against here, it may or may not work with your facial structure, your face type. For Liz, my wife, for example, she has a more rounder face, and so this would work on something like her, which is okay because she's the one who gets the bad headaches. Now, I'm gonna walk through exactly what you get. Well, there's the box right here. Very nice Apple type box. Isn't that cool? The accessories, it comes with a USB-C cable, a little cleaner thing, as well as a pretty nice little bag right there, so you can take this on the road if you'd like, although I'm probably not gonna be putting this in my luggage because it's pretty heavy duty. So this is how you turn it on. So you navigate using these top buttons here and over here. To turn on, simply hold down that.
Welcome to the Renpho Eye Massager.
I don't know if you heard that, but it said, welcome to the Renpho Eye Massager. And it's nice because as this is on you and you're going through and navigating up here, it gives you audio feedback, audio cues, so you know which button you pushed. Now let's start on this side. We're going to be traveling around to this side. So as this is on, you can push this down like so, and you can kind of hear crickets going. I don't know, I'm going to put that up too. You can hear that. And then if you push it again, and so it already has engaged the massage right here, and it's slowly pulsing. It kind of expands and then it deflates, and it expands and it deflates in a very soothing type way. And if we were to the maximum volume, as you continue to push this, it gets louder and louder and louder, and you push it again, and then it goes back down and it turns off completely. So that's how you cycle through the volume, is simply pushing this once. Okay, so let's move around to, so we're gonna push the M down, and you can see the mist coming out already. Of course, I've already put liquid in this. It doesn't come with liquid, and it's gently spraying out, and it feels so nice. So I'm actually gonna put it on like that. Ah, oh, that's lovely. And I think my daughter actually put a little drop of vanilla in there. And so, turbo mist, it just said. And if we wanted to turn that off, we can just push it again, and the audio feedback, I can hear it saying no mist. How to take this out is you kind of have to pull it like this and give it a little wiggle, and then out it pops, and then this is the reservoir. To fill it up, it has a little rubber plug that you simply pull out like so, and then you can put your mist in there, or your liquid, which turns into mist. And you can see the little nodes, those electric nodes, see that gold right there? That aligns with the gold right there. And so that's how it can tell if in fact there is a reservoir in there. If you don't want that in there, it is just a dark, I don't know if you can see that okay, but think of ski goggles. And so if you have a migraine and you don't like bright light, because my daughter Penny, bright light starts to hurt her, this will basically diminish that bright light, and you can still function for the most part throughout your day, instead of just putting on some form of sunglasses, for example. So isn't that thoughtful? So they're even thinking about people who have bright light that impacts them. And of course, as we go around, when we push this, it's going to increase the pressure, and then soft pressure, medium pressure, strong pressure, and then no pressure. So it cycles through each of those, and so you are in complete control as you put this on. You're like, oh man, the migraine's getting bad. I'm gonna just push this like so. And now it's just soft pressure, and you can adjust it around like so. And so I can just feel it gently pushing in on my temples like so. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off now, so you hold it down like this, and it says goodbye. That's the tour of this Renpho Eye Massager. I hope this helps.